Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Porchi Tech, and today's iPhone 13's launch day, September 24th, and I have four colors here, four beautiful colors. So we have two regular iPhone 13 and two Pros. So we have the 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max, and we have two iPhone 13s, okay? And we have the product red, this is a blue, we have the gold iPhone 13 Pro and the graphite iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I just wanted to show you these colors so you could see them, so you could decide. Hopefully this can help you decide which color to go with if you're in the market looking for one of these. Unfortunately, I don't have every single color to show you, but these are what I have. If you're considering any of these colors and you're unsure, hopefully this video can help you. So if you get closer here, you can look at them and you can see the red, we have the blue, we have the gold, and the graphite. All right, and those are the four colors that I have right now. So hopefully this helps you out. Okay, all right, so which one would you go with if you were to choose one of these phones? The regular 12
product red
product red
all the way.
Alright, and which one would you choose in the Pros?
The gold.
That's a dumb question because yours is the gold and mine's the graphite. So
if they had product red in all of them, it would always be product red.
yeah, but yeah, so that was a quick video, everyone. Just have showing you the colors that I have here, and these are all for our family members that we bought. So this is from my mother-in-law here, the red. The blue is from my mom, my wife, who's holding the camera here. This is hers, the gold, and mine's the graphite. Okay, so I have a lot of videos on the iPhone 13s that are gonna come out on the channel. So make sure you're subscribed and your notification bells are on to get notified when I have uploads with these videos on the channel. All right, that was just a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Peace.